What's going on, guys? Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make money every single day in crypto without actually having to do that much. I've been in the space now for 6 years. I've got multiple revenue streams. This is one of them. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and you can follow along, and then you can come back and thank me later after you start making money every single day in crypto from what I'm about to show you. Remember to like and subscribe to the video, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do, all right, is you're going to need to sign up to CoinW. I'm a partner with CoinW, and part of the partnership allows us access to an exclusive group that's run by myself and run by CoinW. You have access to my trades, you have access to CoinW's trades. You can basically copy their trades, you can copy my trades, but I'm going to show you how to get it set up so you don't actually need to do anything. So you can either copy the trades if you want to copy them, or you can just set it up to a copy trader, and they're consistently winning trades. And this is how you're going to just set it up. All the risk is managed for you, and you're going to make money every single day by doing this. Okay, so this is CoinW here. What you need to do is, if you go to my YouTube channel, which you're on now because you're watching the video, and you go to the description of any video, but the description of this one specifically, or even the other one that I did, go to here, you've got the link. All right, so you want to click that link, and you go through to the page, you'll get set up. It's a non-KYC exchange. What this means is you don't need to upload your passport, your address, utility bills. It doesn't take 24 to 48 hours to get verified. Very, very easy to get set up. You can do it in literally 60 seconds. You can get set up, and yeah, you're good to go. Okay, so you want to use this link here. All right, now once you're set up on the exchange, okay, the next stage, that's the first step. The second step is you need to find your UID number. Now the UID number, just literally hover over, I'm logged into CoinW now, hover over the little man here, and you've got it there. Okay, you just want to copy the UID number. Now after you've copied the UID number, you then want to go back to the description of the video, and you want to click on futures signals and copy trading. You want to click that. All right, and that will open up Telegram. So obviously make sure you have Telegram on your phone or your laptop, and you want to click that there. Then what's going to happen is this page is going to open. Now this is a CoinW verification group, okay? So what you want to do, once you've copied your UID number, you then come to this group, you click /verify, and then put your UID number, simple as that, and then basically send the message, okay? Once it's verified, it will then give you access to this group. Now, this group is brilliant. You have market updates, okay? You've got trading signals. This is scalp trading signals. You have swing trading signals here, okay? As you can see, they're consistently profitable, all right? You've got pro traders charts here. You have live trading sessions. Any questions you have here, CoinW updates, profit shots, education, you've got all of the education side of things, tutorials, updates here, support line. This is brilliant. If you get stuck with anything, you have your own dedicated support line here. You've got exclusive content, and then you've got spot trade signals as well. Okay, so what you want to do is there's two things you can do. If you want to do it automated and you're at work or you're busy and you don't have time to specifically open the trade yourself, you want to go to the tutorial section, okay, and then how to set up copy trading on CoinW. Watch that video, okay? So once you're signed up, you're in the group, you watch the video, you set up the copy trading. Everything takes about 5 minutes, and then you leave it to run, okay? It's as easy as that. If you have time to follow the signals manually and you want to open and close the signals, or you want to open the signal, put the stop loss, put the take profit and stuff, you've got all of the signals here. This group is completely free. You're not charged anything for this group. It's absolutely amazing. You've got my trades in there. You've got the CoinW traders in there. These guys are literally employed by CoinW, full-time traders, have been trading for like 6 to 10 years. And these guys are consistently profitable. Okay, even when I don't have time to trade and sit in front of the charts and look at the charts all day, I just connect up the copy trader and follow these guys. Okay, and I'll do it manually as well. So it's absolutely brilliant. So you've got the copy trading option, you've got the free signals. You no longer have to pay for signals £100 a month, £200 a month. You can have it all for free. All right, consistently winning trades as well. What I'd recommend is, personally, I think Copy Trader is brilliant because it does it all for you, and you've got the group here. But if you have time, you can open the trades manually as well. All right. So check it out. If you get stuck, if you have any problems, you've got my contact details below in the description of the video. Once you've signed up to CoinW, you've also got the support line, and I'm in the general chat here. So you can always at me in the general chat, and then you can speak to me. You've got direct access to myself. You've got direct access to the support line. You've got direct access to the CoinW traders as well. It's very, very easy to do. All right. And just drop us a message in there. Just get signed up. It's completely free. Don't need to pay any money to get it done. And you can make money every single day just by copying the trades. So yeah, any problems, reach out. Let me know if you get stuck. It's fairly straightforward though. And remember to like and subscribe to the video. I'm going to be dropping more videos of CoinW because I absolutely love the exchange. They're an up and coming exchange. They're based over here in Dubai where I'm based. The team is brilliant. The traders are brilliant. They're definitely an exchange to look out for. They're very, very good. So yeah, get signed up to CoinW. I'll see you guys in the group, and watch out for the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.